study in grade 7th. I am taking coding classes from Tinker Coders. I have recently learned a new game, Hide and Seek, and it is really fun to play. We can play with our father, with our mother, with our brother, with our sister, with everyone. I really like to play this game and I always win in this game, but sometimes my brother gets win from me, but doesn't mind. Let's see the game. First, we have to choose the sprite Gobo. We will found over here. Choose a sprite option. Then we have to choose a background and we have to choose dark city background. Then here is a coding for this game. So first, as usual, we have to put when the green flag is clicked. Then we have to choose reset timer. We have to always put this block whenever we set some timer or anything like that. Then we have to set your score to 0. We have to put this block. We will go in variable. I will just show how to make this block and we have to make it by our own. So there would be an option for make a variable. So we have to click over there. Then we have to write your score and live, whatever we are playing and what we are making the game. Then we have to select forever block. Then in the forever block we have first random position, means go to random position. This is because the Gobo will not be on the specific point or any position. He will go in every slide, means anywhere in the slide he can move, in the left corner, right corner, up and down, anywhere he can move. Then we have show and hide button. This is for like 1 second the Gobo would be shown and 1 second it would be hidden in that. Then we have to put if then block and forever only. Then we have to go on operators and there would be 3 blocks like this. So we have to take this first one and I will tell you why we are taking this. We are taking this block because if the timer would be more than 20 seconds, the game would be stopped and all of the game would be stopped, as we are putting stop all button as well. Then we will move to our next step. We have to choose when the sprite is clicked. When the sprite would be clicked, our 1 point would be increased and one pop sound would be also there. This is the coding for this game. Let's play this game. It's very fun to play. So I will press on green flag and 1, no I missed it. Yeah, pop sound came. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 20 seconds are over and the game has been stopped. So this was the coding for this game and I really hope you like this. And I really enjoyed to make this game and it was so fun to play with my family, with my friends. Thank you. Bye.